First, connect the RGBRific to a plug point or power bank. Then, open your Wi-Fi settings. There should be a network called WLEDAP. It would look like the example on the right. Now, click on WLEDAP and type WLED1234 without the quotes. After signing in, it would say Sign in required. Just click on it and the main page will open. This is how the main page will open. Now, you have two options to choose from. Connect to your local Wi-Fi network. Or select to the controls to use it directly as an AP mode. Connect to your local Wi-Fi network. Just type your Wi-Fi network's name and password and click on Save and Connect. Now, download the free WLED app for Android or iOS by scanning the respective QR code. That's it. Now, for it to be always visible whenever the WLED app is opened, we need to do few more steps. Now click on the plus symbol. Then click on Discover Lights. And in few seconds it will display Found WLED, then click on Stop Discovery. And that is it, it will be always available in the WLED app. When added successfully, it would display with an IP address. In AP mode, you need not be connected to your Wi-Fi network, so you can give it a new name and password and can connect to it via a power bank when outdoors. Don't forget to click on Save and Connect. You have successfully set up all of the basic options for the RGBRific. For more information, download our free manual with much more detailed step-by-step guides. Scan the QR code below to download the PDF file.